foundation in the color W02 out of the Palace Identity Collection. Now let's open her up. Oh my gosh, oh that's stunning. Oh, look at that paper. Gold Phoenix, beautiful. And then this is the foundation. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely stunning. Look at that. It is a beautiful peacock. Oh my gosh. And this is the bottle. You could just put this on your makeup case and that would look so beautiful. Okay, let's open her up. Ooh, okay, I like the fact that I can just put that on me. Oh yeah, I love that. Instead of me dripping it on, and then let's put it on my skin. So I always use my finger because it's the closest to my skin, and that way it just resembles my skin as much as possible. Instead of using brushes or sponges, I just use a clean finger, and I'm gonna dab it on. So I'm having a little bit of blemishes right here, so we're gonna try that on and see. Just kind of dab it on everywhere. Right here. And we're gonna blend it in, making sure that we take that all the way down to our neck. Ooh, okay. So it feels really smooth, really lightweight. Now this company has been around since 2011. They're Chinese and they do really exquisite and beautiful collections. Oh yeah, okay. I love the way that it feels on my skin. I feel like it feels really smooth. I like things that my skin can breathe. Let that sit, and then I'll just put a little bit in the spots. I usually don't do my whole forehead. I feel like it's a waste of foundation, so I'll just do just a little bit where I have a little bit of blemishes. So it blends in really nicely. And then right here, tap it with the ring. Tap right in. You can get that color. And then we'll bring it down. So the foundation is a little bit light. I always do an ivory color. Oh. So that has blended in very nicely. I really like the way that the color looks, and the bottle is just amazing. Ooh, that's really beautiful. Now this one is the Cushion BB Cream in 01, and this one is part of the British Museum collection. Now if we thought the other one was stunning, check this one out. This is so freaking beautiful. Let's take it out. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's an angel on there. Oh, I absolutely love this. And then it opens up just like that. And then we have our little cushion. And then it opens up right here. And ZEESEA. Ooh. Now I've heard so many good things about BB creams, and I've tried them before, but never with the cushion. So I'm excited to see. So let's take off. Comes with a little mirror. Let's take this little mirror off. I'm so excited. Okay, let's take this off. Ooh, beautiful that is. And then in this spot, since I didn't put so much foundation, we're gonna try it. See, so we're gonna get it here, put my fingers, and then I'm gonna push that in. So I can already tell it's a little bit heavy, so I'm gonna blend that in just with my finger. Let's blend that in. I feel that the cushion just makes it really heavy and I'm not really able to have control over it. But so far, I love the color. Oh, it's really pretty. It's like very glowy, and I don't even have, all I have on my skin is just vitamin C. I always prep my skin first with vitamin C before I put my foundation, and then my sunblock, and I let that sit, but wow. So let's just put a little bit here, a little bit in these areas. kind of cushion that in. Oh, that's really pretty. Just put a little bit right here, kind of like in the nose. So it blends in really nicely. I feel that I'm loving the BB cream actually over the foundation. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh. Oh, that's really pretty. I feel that it melts into your skin. Continuing the collection, this is the Air Loose Powder out of the British collection. And let's open this up. Oh my god, these angels are to die for. Let's take this out the box. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, that is absolutely stunning. Okay, let's open her up. Ooh, okay, so we have a little powder here. Okay, let's open her up. Ooh. Okay, so let's try that. I'm gonna grab my mirror. Okay. Oh, and I'm using my Flower Nose mirror. If you haven't seen my Strawberry Rococo collection unboxing, please check that out. That collection is stunning. I use my own brush for this, just because I like something a little bit more fluffier. We're just gonna put all in those areas. Bring it down to our neck. And then fluff away. So it sets in pretty good. It feels very light and airy. I like that. I feel like it definitely, powder should never feel heavy. It should always feel very light. Now we're gonna use my own NARS and Exhibit A to put on some blush. Put some just in the below my cheeks, like that. Blend that right in. Oh, that looks so pretty. I'm loving the way that the foundation is sitting. Now we're going to continue with the collection. This is in the N08 lipstick, and this one is my absolute favorite. So stunning. Look at this lipstick. Oh, it is so beautiful. It is a dragon. Oh, which is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh. And this Chinese Zodiac, this is my fiance's, it's the dragon. Oh my god, and this is like absolutely beautiful. And then we're gonna open it up. And look at that. I mean, look at how stunning that is. You have a dragon all around, and just like the texture and the detailing to this is absolutely stunning. And I don't even want to use it because it's just so freaking beautiful. But we are going to try it, see how this looks. This is a lip liner that I've just had for many years, so we're going to try that. And we're going to line our lips. Go for it. Oh, it's very creamy. I love the way that red lipstick looks and the way that it just transforms your entire look. I always use like the little corner just to kind of carve it out. Just use a Q-tip and take off a little bit, go around, and just clean up these areas. Love this red. It's a very royal red, very beautiful. And it feels really moisturizing on my lips too, which I appreciate, because any dark color, specifically red, no matter what type of lipstick you have, it really dries them out. So So far, it looks and feels very creamy. This is continuing again with the British, and this packaging. It's just absolutely stunning. Let's open her up. Now I had to combine both of the collections because I just picked out what I loved best, and all of these items just stood out to me. This is, look at this. So this is the Highlight Pressed Powder in S02, and look at this, my loves. Oh my God, and it comes with a little mirror. Ooh, I love that. So beautiful, and there's a little angel on here. Oh my gosh. And let's take this off, and here it is. This is just an e.l.f. fan brush. Paid like $1 for this. And then we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it on 3 spots. So we're gonna put it right on the apples of our cheeks. And then put it right here. Stunning. And then on the tip of our nose. Just like that. Put a little more. Oh my gosh. So the color is really light, but it shows so beautifully on the skin. It just looks so kissed. You can catch that with the light. Oh, this is stunning, my loves. Look how beautiful that looks. I love the way that this looks. I feel that it looks very fresh, very young, and my skin looks absolutely stunning. 20 out of 20 for ZEESEA. I love this collection. Oh, and it's affordable. Go on the website, check the collections out. They have beautiful collections that will be unique for you. And I love this. Ooh, I love you guys so much for watching. Mwah!